All right, so we're moving studio setups again, and this will probably be where it ends up, but I'm getting there, and right now it's a little bit of a mess as I'm trying to figure out where half my stuff is and how to set it up properly, etc., etc. Anyways, today we're looking to add a Bluetooth speaker, and this is from the guys over at MUZEN Audio. MUZEN? I think I'm saying that right, MUZEN. They have a whole bunch of speakers. Actually, if you kind of go to their main page here, you'll see this speaker section. So they have all, and they're kind of like, want to say like retro-y. Some of them look kind of like military, but you'll see like the original wood, they used to look like old-time speakers, right? The radios that, you know, we'd see on our grandparents or great-grandparents' living room shelf, I guess. So kind of cool. Some of these are pretty, looks like they're fairly high end, coming in around $400 for the original wood 2, which looks cool. But anyway, we today got this one here, and this is just the Wild Mini. So this is one of their least expensive Bluetooth speakers, but it's the Wild Mini rugged outdoor portable Bluetooth speaker, coming in about 80 bucks. There is, it looks like a Halloween code right now when I'm making this. Look for codes, I guess it could be. Bunch of different colors. So you got this gray, you got the green. I'm guessing I have the green based on the fact that it comes in this cool like case, which is awesome. Yellow, I wouldn't really say that's yellow. That looks more beigey, but whatever. And then just your standard black with some cool greeny, yellowy accents. What does it say here? Durable construction, military inspired design, which is sweet. Multifunction flashlight. Oh, that's cool. High fidelity sound, portable and compact, rugged and weather resistant. Wild speaker for authentic outdoor adventures. So, you know, if you're having authentic adventures, this is for you. If you're just faking your adventures, you know, yeah, why not? Get it anyway. Anyways, I do like the fact that it says it has this 3 outdoor flashlight modes. That's cool. Speaker will stay safe and visible with high, low, and SOS flashlight modes. So that's kind of cool if you are hiking somewhere or you're camping and you just wanted a one device for a flashlight and, you know, a speaker. Yeah. Anyways, this is it right here. Born to be Wild. I do really like that it comes with this kind of cool case. What does it say here? The model is the MWPVXI. Size comes in at about 60 by 35 by 77 millimeters, ballparking. Net weight 25 grams. Is that right? No, 251 grams. I'm like 25 grams. That's crazy. Battery, lithium ion, 3.7 volt, 1000 milliamps. It says loudspeaker, 5 watts. It's a 5 volt, 1 amp charging for charging. 1 year warranty. That's kind of it. That's kind of it right there. Anyways, let's see what this little thing is like. I like Bluetooth speakers. I do. So when something's, again, I like when companies send stuff and they're like, it's not just a standard thing that we see all the time. I do like this little MUZEN right here. And again, I'm playing around with the lights, so forgive me if it's not perfect. Right, we'll get more lights in here as I get this thing set up properly. But it has these cool little, oh, I like that. That's sweet. And you look like you're about to reveal, but really you come to foam. Anyways, oh, it is tiny. Oh, it is tiny. You guys see how tiny that is? You look at that. It's heavy though. It's got some weight to it. Look at that. That's pretty cool, yes? I think so too. That's pretty cool. Oh, I like that. That's even just looks cool just sitting there. And again, inside here, do we get anything else? Yeah, of course we do. Some silica gel. There's going to be your USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and you get a little manual. I love that this is set up so like military-y. I would just keep that. That box is lovely. And you know what? If you took the little foam stuff out of here, you could use that just for carrying cables and stuff like that for whatever. That's a lovely box all to itself. But this is the start of the show right here. There's your little flashlights on the top. You know, this, what is this? Does this pop open? Oh, that's your USB. So that must have, when you click it, must have some weather sealing to it for sure. That's going to be your speaker. It looks like your power button. You just slide up, on, off at the bottom. I guess you just hold it. Oh yeah. Oh look. There's your flashlight. See it? Right? It's got a little day, 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 day. If I fold it, does it go anything else? Nope. There's got to be a way to get the actual flashlight on. I'll figure it out. What is this? I may have to look in the manual. That's also a possibility, right? Because there's not a lot of buttons. This is your volume right here. It's got some click points to it, which is nice. There's no button there, but it's weird because you don't push like they don't click and stay. You kind of just hold it. So that flashlight is on now. So I must turn it off. Do I turn it off by pushing up? Bluetooth is in the middle. It says. Okay, once you turn the flashlight on, you can just do it. So I guess you just hold it to turn it off again. Yeah. All right, and then the middle one's Bluetooth. So let's bring up my phone. I have to have a phone here somewhere because really our concern is, it's a Bluetooth speaker. So does it have any kind of sound quality for something as little as it actually is? So go to the bottom here. It says Bluetooth. We're just gonna click, I guess. Okay, so maybe you remember how I said turn it down to this, and I held it. And it made this beepy sound. I think that may be when it's actually in Bluetooth mode. As weird as that is. Let's see. Yeah, see now it's in Bluetooth mode. So yeah, that's what puts it into pairing mode. Okay? Instead of like a lot of devices come up and be like, oh, it's repairing or whatever, or a flashy light. That's what that is. That's your flashy light. And then you just kind of hold this when you want to go to your flashlight, right? All right, I got it. I'm down. All right, so right now we're listening to some Sebastian Bach, which I'm just gonna real fast. Ready? For a little tiny speaker, it's not bad. The actual audio is good too, so you can just kind of rotate that. So that's decent. And then I think basically you use this, maybe this button here, for going back and forth between songs, right? So that's kind of your advance through songs. Yeah, and then this would be play, pause. It's not going to be something that you're going to launch a party with, for sure. But you know what? You have this, and you have it on a lanyard, for instance, because it has a little lanyard clip, and you have that hanging on your vest or whatever it is, your jacket or whatever, your backpack, and you're just like cruising with this. You turn this right up, Yeah, that's going to be all right. Nothing wrong with that. But you got to know what you're buying, right? This is not necessarily something that you're going to have and, like I said, have it in your room and be like, this is my speaker. This is what I'm jamming to. Maybe not, but it's cool. I love the way it looks. I do. It seems like it should be built super solid. Like it's heavy duty, without question, heavy duty. The sound is good. The sound is good. It's just not crazy loud, but you really look how small it is. You can't expect it to be too loud for something this size. And that's what's hard when you look at the website, is realizing how mini the Mini really is. But yeah, I think for 80 bucks, it's not bad. You just got to know what you want. I think this is definitely for someone who's outdoorsy, or maybe like you're an office speaker and you like here. And I was just like, I just want some music. I'm just gonna lay this down on the table and turn that up somehow right there. Have some music in the background. Yeah, no, that would be fine. And if I get lost in the house, I also have SOS light and a flashlight, so that's also cool. All right, guys, that is the MUZEN Wild Mini Rugged Outdoor Portable Bluetooth Speaker. I don't think it says anywhere what the water resistance is, like how waterproof it is. It just says that it's rugged and weather resistant. I don't know if it has an IP rating. I'm not 100% sure. If you guys know what it is. Oh, there it is, IPX5. So IPX5, now we know what it is right there. All right, guys, I think it's pretty cool. Just realize what you're buying, and we'll see you guys next video. There will be links below to MUZEN's website and anywhere else I can find it. All right, we'll see you next video. Later.